Introducing the 2024 Toyota Tundra. This hard-working Tundra offers impressive towing and hauling capability, a smooth, comfortable ride, desirable standard safety and infotainment features, and competitive fuel efficiency. Prepare to fall in love. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, heated driver's seat, backup camera, power passenger seat, heated mirrors. Feel confident about the project in this capable Tundra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.